Hello everyone, let us continue the chapter Lifeline of National Economy. Today we are going to discuss about our last topic, tourism as trade, as well as transportation, communication, international trade, also tourism as an important for us and country's economic development. Tourism directly helps to the country's economy. So, tourism, that's mean we people are think about such interesting places, okay, whatever you already visited, either you want to visit such places because it's make me, either you, either all people be happy and it's memorable for us. Otherwise, it also helps to develop the country's economy because it has some advantages, either some merits, either importance. So next, we see the some importance of tourism industry. So first of all, dear student, tourism provide the employment to the lots of people. In India, about 15 millions of people, they are directly engaged in such tourism industries. So, the another importance of the tourism industry is it promotes the national integration. When foreigner come to our country, okay, so it's develop the national integration. That's mean a bond between the Indians and foreigners and feelings of oneness, the feelings of brotherhood. So we live, either we travel together without, regardless, either without caste, difference of caste, religions, races, it doesn't matter. It makes a bond of oneness. That means it develops the national integration. The third, support to local handcrafts and cultural pursuit. Where tourism is mainly developed, in that place, so many small scale industries, either cottage industries are also developed and develop the local handcraft. That means you purchase some things that are made by the stone, either paper, either wood. So this helps to develop the local handcrafts and also local culture. The fourth important fact of the tourism industry is it develop of international understanding about our culture and heritage. That means when foreigners are came to India, they visit the some famous places of India and they try to know about that places, either monuments, when and why this is developed, and they try to know about the culture of India's people. Okay, so this is more important fact of the tourism and also increase the national income. When people are comes from the country, either when we travel to another place, so we spend the money and such activities or provide the job opportunity to the people that increase the per capita income of a person, and also government earned by the collection of revenue, and also tourism industry directly contribute to country's GDP. That's mean we can say tourism industry helps to increase the national income of a country. and people came for either visit for some purpose, either as a heritage tourism, ecotourism, adventure tourism and cultural tourism, medical tourism and business tourism. So think, lots of people, they came to India, either within the country we are travel in such famous places. Okay, so that's mean we need either pay attention to develop the tourism industry in India is much better. Okay, that's more contribute in the country's economic development.